Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today, I am going to show you how to add a border around your entire page in Microsoft Word. First, go to the Design tab at the top of Word. Click Page Borders on the far right. A window will pop up. On the left, choose the border style. Box for a simple rectangle, shadow for a 3D effect, or 3D for a raised look. Pick a line style, color, and width from the middle sections. You'll see a preview of how it looks. To control which edges get the border, click the buttons around the preview, top, bottom, left, right. Click once to remove that edge. Click again to bring it back. When you are done, click OK. The border will appear on every page of your document. One important thing to know, if you want the border only on the first page, click the Apply to drop-down and choose this section, in first page only. A quick tip, for a more decorative look, click the Art drop-down and choose from options like hearts, stars, or trees. Keep in mind that art borders use more ink if you are printing. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.